Hello friends, in this video I am going to show how we can put the display. This is the display of a Chinese set and how we can put this display on PCB. So first, place it properly, make the every line matched. You can see there are two holes on the two end. So put these holes by matching with the points, the white points made on the board, so that after placing it with this point, matching with this point, the every pins of the board will be properly connected. So let's match the holes with the two white points. Okay, after matching the holes, I have matched the holes. So after matching the holes with the points on the board, touch the connectors with the board, solder the connector with the board through this iron. Don't connect all the pins once, but connect the first pins and the last pins first, and connect the first 2-3 pins in the middle. And after connecting this way, apply solder iron through all the points. You can see, apply solder iron through all the points, not on the flakes but at the tip of the points. Now you can see it is connected properly. And after connecting it, put the display in this way. So this is the process by which you can solder the display with the PCB board. Okay, thanks for watching, and in next video I am going to show you how we can connect the camera with the PCB. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.